from the day since the first human being landed on the earth. The Lord of the universe has sent thousands of messengers. They all came up with a unified idea. An idea of submission to one God only. Some of the people brought faith on them and earned the peace for the life and hereafter. However, some stubborn people use their free will to oppose the message brought by the Messenger of Allah. What had happened to them? Where do they live now? Know this and many more in Quranic Wonders.